Fibrillated turf is engineered with slit film yarn that opens into a network of interconnected fibers during use, creating a stable and durable playing surface. Its unique structure helps retain sand and rubber in fill, reducing particle movement and maintaining consistent field performance. By distributing stress across multiple fibrils, it improves wear resistance in high traffic areas and extends the turf's service life, combining durability, stability, and cost efficiency. Fibrillated turf is a trusted solution for football fields, multi-sport facilities, schools. Unlike conventional monofilament yarn, the manufacturing of fibrillated turf includes a dedicated fibrillation process. After slit film extrusion, the yarn is precisely cut and mechanically opened to create a network of interconnected fibers. This additional manufacturing step requires accurate control of tension, temperature, and processing speed to ensure uniform fibrillation throughout the yarn, combined with strict quality inspection at every stage. The process delivers consistent yarn structure, reliable processing quality, and dependable performance in the finished turf system.